Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Jio Finance Wallet. First, download the My Jio application from your device's app store. Once installed, register or log in using your Jio mobile number. You will then need to complete your Know Your Customer, or KIC, verification. This essential step ensures secure transactions and compliance. Finally, link your preferred bank account or debit card to your new wallet for easy funding and seamless transactions. Now that your wallet is set up, let's add some funds. Open the Jio Finance Wallet section within the My Jio application. Look for and select the Add Money option to begin the process. You can then enter the desired amount you wish to add, perhaps 500 rupees or even 1,000 rupees. Finally, choose your previously linked bank account or debit card to complete this secure transaction. Making payments with your Jio Finance Wallet is incredibly convenient. You can easily scan a QR code at various merchant stores to complete your purchases in seconds. For direct transfers, simply enter the recipient's mobile number. The wallet also allows you to pay utility bills, such as electricity or water, directly from the app. Always confirm your transaction using your secure 4-digit PIN for safety. The Jio Finance Wallet offers several fantastic features and robust security. All your transactions are protected with two-factor authentication, ensuring your money is safe. You can easily track your spending habits with a detailed transaction history available within the app. Plus, keep an eye out for exclusive offers and exciting cashback rewards. Should you ever need assistance, dedicated customer support is readily available to help you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.